we're going to be doing some things on the BMW. This is my 1993 E34 wagon, and today we're going to be getting it ready for rust repair. We're going to take off the front passenger fender because I have a new fender to put on, and we're going to take off the rear bumper because get a look of the acne that has been growing on the BMW. But I think today we're just gonna get it prepped. We're not gonna do anything cool. Maybe we can put on the 6 rims that we got too, or just one, just to test. These are my nice new chromies. Chromie to the domey for the BMW. Look how much rain is coming off the roof.
Oh my god.
Let me get it. What you're looking at is a twin turbo, tri-turbo JZ LS conversion swap kit. Tech and stuff, dude. Like this is like modern tech and stuff. So we figured this on. Pull off this guy. Oh, one is sealed. Let's use one of these guys. Wrong way.
Embarrassing.
Also, look at how clean my engine bay is. Come with me, come with me. Huge shout out to Marty in 2002 for detailing this.
Oh, it's so dark.
Oh, okay. Wait, keep it going. Huge shout out to Marty in 2002 for detailing this. Thanks, Marty. I am not a mechanic, unfortunately. I am just a fella with a car. This is not a tutorial by any means.
Feel free to criticize.
Feel free to criticize.
Hate.
Hate comments welcomes.
Death threats.
Death threats. Welcome. Don't break on me.
Do not break.
Now we look like mechanic.
Mechanic?
Now we look like mechanic. I don't want to break this though. I prefer not to break off my light clips, because that would be very tragic. So I have to get them off to get this bumper off. I don't want to break this. Please don't break on me.
If it breaks, do we cut the camera?
Yes. Side marker type of thing. Yo! Every time. It's the smallest things that always try to embarrass me. Like this. I could probably swap out full engine in 10 minutes. But the side marker is what's gonna get me. Yeah.
You could always do like a voiceover too.
Oh!
Do you need my help? My assistance?
Oh, it's not like that I need more hands. It's just like...
It's just that you need more hands. Bang,
Yeah.
bang, bang, bang.
My fingers.
I'm sorry. Do you want me to try pulling on it?
No.
Oh, you don't trust me, that's
I
why.
trust you. I trust you.
Y'all saw that, right? Oh, have some, respect yourself. Respect herself.
There we go. Good one.
And I also didn't record it, so.
Really?
I didn't get it. I don't think so. Do it again. Do that again.
It really feels like I'm bleeding under there.
There's an air in there.
It ripped my cuticle! Mess with the light reflectors, they mess with you back. More super old plastic that doesn't like to disconnect. Here. And if you break it, then you're gonna end up paying $30 for someone on eBay to send you a new one. Put on the screen a picture right now of the guy who engineered BMWs in the 90s.
I'm not doing that.
This is a rip. No, it's not that. But this guys, comment this right now. Am I getting tendonitis? Any doctors in the chat, let me know. That's gonna rub my hand. Patched up. I had to patch myself up.
Yeah.
We got off the rear bumper. So now we can start fixing this little rust on the bottom here, making it look nice. These were a pain in the booty to take off. The other one is kind of broken, so I might need new ones of these. Yeah, we had to switch cameras. The real camera died, so now we're on the iPhone. iPhone quality. Delete that. Maybe fix up the bad paint job I did years ago on the little. I didn't buy Alpino white too. Okay, next part. In the last clip you saw me sanding down the paint to get to bare metal. Now we put some rust like stuff, kind of like on here. Some like rust stuff that like kills the rust and then fills it or something cool like that. On the sides we bonded over, and today we're just gonna hand sand it to try and get it to match the body. So we want this to look like this. Starting with the low number sandpaper and moving up, starting from the bottom. Now wait. Chat, are you with me, chat? Okay. Yeah. See all these like big lines of the bundle? We gotta get that out. And like up here. Today's progress. Come with me. Got these sanded down. I recorded a little bit of like B-roll footage for it, but it's kind of boring stuff to watch, so not too much on that. Got this side sanded down nicely. Come over here. Got this stuff all sanded nice. And then we took off this. We took off the tail lights so we can redo this whole back part. And then inside, we took off the little tool chest. The BMW tool chest. Yup, this part right here. Yup. Yup. What do I say now?
I don't know.
Guys, disclaimer, this is not a tutorial or how to. You're just watching me. Okay? All the people that are gonna comment, mechanic here, this is not how you do it. Leave them. I'll let the first one slide.
Leave them.
I'll let the
Leave
first
them.
one slide and I'll pin the first one. But after that, they're getting banned, blocked. The first one is gonna be my elite employee. But after that, you're all gone. So yeah, only one mechanic here comment, please. And guys, comment all the hate right now. Guys, comment your hate right